Hi everyone. Today, me and my team are gonna talk about speech difficulties in children, a topic that I find and my team really interesting and important. In this presentation, I'll share a few learning approaches, methods, and strategies that teachers can use to help the children communicate better and feel more confident.
So guys, before we jump into the main topic, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Ikhwan Maulal Hafif and my last name is 112.
My name is Alexandra Duanesarah Ginting and my last name is 056.
And my name is Ashifa Nadine Alia Putri. My last name 076.
Alright guys, let's move to the next part, the learning approaches and model. There are basically how we can help kids with speech difficulties learn better. So the first is the multisensory approach. It uses sight, sound, and movement together, so learning feel easier and more fun. Then we have the teacher therapist teamwork model, where both work together to help the child in class and in speech practice. Next is the inclusive and humanistic model, which makes sure every child feel accepted and supported. And lastly, we always focus on each child's strength and challenge, because every student learns differently. Okay guys, now let's talk about the fun part, is the method and technique. So yeah, after knowing the approaches, let's see how they work in real learning. Here are some simple but effective method and technique. First, imitation and repetition. Kids learn by copying and repeating sound until they get it right. Then, gradual articulation, when they practice from easy sound to harder word step by step. Next is storytelling and role play. These make learning fun and help kids speak more naturally. And finally guys, modeling and prompting, where the teacher show the right way to say things and gently guide the child to try.
Next one is instructional media. Media plays a significant role in engaging children. Digital media such as speech therapy apps and phonetic videos engage children more because of their interactive nature. Meanwhile, non-digital media such as picture cards, mirrors, and hand puppets can help children recognize mouth shapes and expression when speaking. The combination of the two makes learning more varied and less boring. Now we go to case analysis. Children with speech difficulties typically struggle to pronounce words clearly, sometimes with inconsistent pronunciation or an unnatural speech rhythm. The impact extends not only to language, but also to cognitive, sensory-motor, and emotional development. They may feel self-conscious or reluctant to speak in front of others. Therefore, analysis must be conducted through direct observation, articulation testing, and collaboration with parents to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the child.
Alright, now let's move on the next part, the solution and strategies. This part is all about what we can actually do to help children with speech difficulties in real situation. First, we can integrate speech therapy in class so practice becomes part of daily learning. Then, create an individualized education plan or IEP that fits each child's specific needs. A positive communication environment is also super important. No pressure, just support and encouragement. We can also use assistive technology like text to speech tools or AAC devices to help them communicate better. And lastly, training for teachers and parents is key, so practice can continue at home too. Now, let's take a quick look at the theories behind the strategies. So, the strategies aren't random, they are based on solid theories. Sousa, 2016, says the brain needs repeated stimulation to strengthen language pathways. Vygotsky's ZPD theory reminds us that kids learn better through social interaction and guided support. And Skinner focuses on positive reinforcement. Simple praise or encouragement can really boost a child's confidence to keep trying. And that's how theory and practice come together to support children with speech difficulties.
Alright guys, we're finally at the last part, the conclusion. Thank you for listening so far. I really appreciate your attention. So, to wrap everything up, children with speech difficulties can actually grow and communicate better when we guide them with the right approaches, using multisensory methods, teamwork between teacher and therapist, and creating a positive environment really helps a lot. They're not incapable, they just need time, patience, and empathy to build their confidence in speaking. And that's it from me. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Bye.